Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are cooking dahi aloo ki sabji in the traditional and authentic way with a flavor of kasuri methi. Dahi aloo is a favorite for many of us. Now, before making this delicious dish, let's check the ingredients first. For making dahi ke aloo, I have chopped 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 green chilies, 4 red chilies and 2 cloves. So now we are going to fry dahi ke aloo. Now heat the pan and take 4 tablespoons oil. I have used mustard oil. You can take any kind of oil. Now add 1 pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Allow them to splutter. Now add 2 cloves. Put the flame on medium low and stir it. Now it is roasted. Now add green chilies and stir it well. Once green chili is roasted, add red chilies and stir it. Now add your chopped potato and stir it well. Now add salt as per your taste. It will help to cook potatoes. Stir it well. Now close with the lid and put the flame on the medium low for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes we will open the lid and now we will add spices. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, now stir it well so all the spices will mix with the potato. Now add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. These are dried fenugreek leaves we are adding here. Mix it well. Now close the lid until the potato cooks. So in between we will stir it so potato won't stick to the pan. Now potatoes is soft. Now add 1 cup of yogurt and stir it well and put the flame on medium. Now add 2 cups of water. Stir it well. Keep stirring it and bring it to boil. Now it started boiling. Put the flame on medium low. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of garam masala. Add cilantro. So we have chopped cilantro for garnishing. Stir it well. So our dahi ke aloo with kasuri methi is almost cooked. Now boil it for 2 more minutes. Then we will serve it. Now we have served it. It looks very delicious. You can enjoy dahi ke aloo with kasuri methi, with roti, naan or any kind of rice. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Thank you for watching.